In this video, we are seeing how to delete a node from a binary search tree. Case number 1, the node to be deleted does not have any child. Okay. So, the field through which the node to be deleted is connected to its parent should now start pointing to null. Let us take an example. We want to delete 70. 70 is connected to its parent through parent's right field. So, now that right field of parent should start pointing to null. So, this will be the resultant tree. Now, let us take case number 2. In case number 2, the node to be deleted has one child. Okay. So, the child of the node to be deleted should be connected to the parent of the node to be deleted through same relationship through which node to be deleted was connected. Okay. Now, let us see here. Suppose we want to delete 70. Now, 70 is connected to its parent through right relationship. So, now its child, because 70 will be deleted. So, now its child should get connected through a right relationship. So, now this will be the resultant tree, because 70 is deleted and 60 is connected to the right of 50, because 70 was connected with right relationship. So, now 60 will also be connected through right relationship. So, 60 will be connected to right of 50 and this will be our resultant tree. Okay. Now, let us take one more case. The node to be deleted is having two children. Now, if node to be deleted is having two children, then first of all we find in order successor of node to be deleted. Then we copy data from in order successor to node to be deleted. And now, we delete in order successor. So, now our problem is reduced from case 3 to case 1 or case 2. Now, let us take an example. See, suppose we want to delete 15. 15 is having two children. So, what will we do? First of all, we will find in order successor of 15, which is 16. We will copy 16 to, we will copy data 16 to node to be deleted. Okay. So, node to be deleted is 15, there will be copying 16. Okay. And after that, we will be deleting in order successor, because this is in order successor. So, now we are deleting in order successor, it means now we are not deleting this particular node. So, now what has happened? Earlier the node which was to be deleted was having two children, but now we are deleting a node, because that data we have already copied up. Now, we want to delete this node is not having any child. Okay. So, now and this is connected to 17 through left relationship. So, now left field of 17 will start pointing to null and this will be our final tree.